Before we get to that, let's chat about the live look around town. Mostly dry conditions, not a cloud out there. We are under high pressure and things will stay pretty sunny and clear for the next several days, which is going to allow temperatures to respond. Tomorrow's high, 97 we're forecasting. That will break the record of 96 set back in 2019. That's Monday's record. Tuesday's forecast high, 98. That record was set back in 1989 of 97. So each and every day going forward, bottom line will be challenging, if not breaking records. By the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, we start to trim down on the high temperatures a little bit. But even then, it's still going to be extremely hot for October standards. Okay, outside downtown San Antonio looks great. 81, feels like 80 just because of the drier air. The dew point's at 47. So this is a very dry air mass that's overhead over Texas. And here's the result of it. Pretty large temperature difference between the hill country, which, by the way, they're in the 60s right now. It feels great. And Comfort and Bulverde towards Fredericksburg, they're at 66 degrees. 81 in San Antonio right now, 78 in Pleasanton, and mostly dry conditions. Not a drop on radar. Maybe a couple of sprinkles out in the Gulf of Mexico and whatever's left of Helene, a post-tropical system towards the Midwest, but we are dry, and that's how we stay overnight. The overnight forecast, here it is tomorrow morning, middle to lower 60s, maybe some upper 50s across the hill country. A light chill on the air tomorrow morning, maybe a light jacket for the first couple hours. But after that, high temperatures respond fast. This model says 95. I think we hit about 97 tomorrow. Mostly sunny, a couple of clouds on Tuesday. Record heat both tomorrow and Tuesday. Wednesday will be close, 95 degrees. But maybe a couple of degrees less than the daily record specifically on Wednesday. But you can see very hot and very humid for tomorrow and Tuesday. Now here is the culprit, high pressure. It's not overhead, it's not over Texas, but it is right here between the desert Southwest, El Paso, northern Mexico, which is gonna, again, drive up temperatures into the upper 90s. All right, very quickly, tropical satellite. Helene is now over with and made landfall back on Thursday night. Now in its wake, another tropical wave in the Caribbean Sea. Now, as this moves closer to Cancun, the Yucatan Peninsula, and towards Cuba, this will enter a more favorable and likely environment to strengthen into a tropical storm. Next name on the list is Isaac, and then after that is Joyce, and then Kirk. And then some of the models bring this closer to Florida. You can see as we kind of step through this hour by hour and day by day. It's not until pretty much later on in the week, Thursday and Friday, becomes maybe a tropical storm, bringing some heavy rain to Florida, but this is still a long ways out. A lot of time to watch this, and some models bring it towards Louisiana and some towards Texas, so we'll have to watch it very closely. Our 14-day forecast is the weather impact alert days start on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Just because of dangerous heat, drink plenty of water, limit time outdoors. By Thursday and Friday, it starts to come down a little bit. Small chance of rain on Saturday as some moisture moves in from the Gulf of Mexico. You can see mostly clear, mostly sunny as we wrap up September and cruise into October with summer-like heat for South Texas.